you need to mount your camera on a tripod. You can decide to use landscape or you use portrait, but this particular video I'm using portrait. You get my point? So before we start, Seth, I made a tutorial on how to run like a flash, just like what I want to show you here, but this one is different from the one I posted before, and that's about 11 months ago. You get my point? So like I used to tell you guys, we have different method of editing videos. You get my point? One particular video can have like 5 ways of editing it. You get my point? So now I want to show you guys a different method of editing a flash effect. You get my point? So that is just it. So when you are done recording your video, okay, when you're done mounting your camera on a tripod, this is what is going to happen. You get my point? You don't even need to record an empty scene. You just have to get ready to run, just like what you see me do right here. Then you make a step, you just move. Once you move, once you make the first move, you get my point? Then you can walk anyhow you want to walk to that your destination where you want to stop. Now towards where you want to stop, you just make a move as if you were running and you had to slide and stop. You get my point? Just like this. So when that is done, now I have to return again to where I started. So I had to turn back just like this. Then I will make a move again as if I want to drive, just like that. So that's just it. Then I have to walk like a guy man. You know I'm a guy man. Just walk. When I'm getting close to the camera, then I have to make this move. You get my point? I believe you know what I'm talking about. So that's just it. So when you are done with everything, you can now walk away. Then you save your video to gallery and head over to Capcut. You get my point? So let's edit the video because I am already on Capcut. This is very simple. Even a complete beginner will know how to do this 100%. So this is how to edit this video. So what you will do right here, when I recorded this video, I had some noise in the background, so I don't like getting that noise. You know, I'm making voiceover on this recording, so I will just click on mute clip right here, and it will mute all the clips. You get my point? You mute all the sound. You get my point? So that's just it. So at this point, from where I want this video to start, maybe let me set somewhere here before the character starts moving. I will just do like this. Okay, let me see, something like this. Okay, from where the character looks at the camera and turn, I will just tap on the video layer, tap on split. I will delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? So from this part where the character moves, from where you make the first move, just like that, I'll just tap on split again. Now when I tap on split, I'll come over to where the character gets to where he wanted to run to. I don't know what's pursuing him. So that's just that. So before the character hits the wall, just like this, you get my point? Something like this. You need to split when the character is in motion. So you tap on the video layer, tap on split here. So you have to tap on the middle part here, this one here, tap on the middle part, then you delete this middle part. Understand? So now the character has gotten to that place and he wants to come back. Please, this is just for complete beginners. If you are a complete beginner, I want to make a flash effect, you want to run like a flash, I believe this will really help you. This is very simple. It's just about splitting and deleting. Understand? But I will advise you to watch to the end because there is something we are going to add to this video. Understand? To make it more professional. So at this point, when the character is right there and wants to run back, you get my point? So see what I'm going to do right here. Once the character moves, I will just tap on the video layer, tap on split, then move the video to when the character gets to the camera. At this point, this is what I'm going to do right here. I'll just tap on split, then I will delete this part where the character was walking. So I'll delete it. You get my point? So from here you can decide how you want your video to end. So what I will do right here is I will just end the video here. Okay, let me just tap here. Then I'll delete the ending part of the video. You get my point? So if I should play the video now, see what we are gonna get. You get my point? So that is a flash effect. Now let's see the return. Let's just see the return. Understand? So I think we have to adjust this part a little so that it will align very well. You get my point? So that is the flash effect, but we are not done. What you are going to do when you are done with this particular one, you will just click on export and export this video to your gallery. You get my point? You export everything to your gallery. Then we are still going to bring it back to Capcut because we have things to do. We need to work on it again. We want it to come out like a pro. So you click on done. Now click on new project. Just imported the video I just saved. You get my point? So look at it here. This is how the video is gonna play. You get my point? So now what I want to do right here is I will come here and I will go to tap on the video if layer. Now go to, let's look for motion blur. Now this is motion blur. So you are going to increase the blur to 100, increase the blend to 100. So direction, you are just going to click on direction, click on forward. You get my point? Now go to times. Now click on 6 times. So it will tell you choosing multiple times will apply motion blur multiple times and makes the blur effect smoother. Understand? So blah blah. You click on OK. So when you click on OK, you give it a little time. Then tap on this OK button. It's gonna load. You get my point? So this is just it. So you give yourself a little time for it to load and everything is gonna be applied. So guys, if you are a complete beginner and want to learn how to edit from scratch, you get my point, DM me, just send me a message on my WhatsApp. The link is in the description of this video. You get my point? I will teach you everything about Capcut and how to edit videos from scratch. You get my point? And if you are looking for Capcut Pro, like what I'm using right here is Capcut Pro, I don't pay a dime. You get my point? So you can also DM me. I'm going to send it to you, but please make sure you have an Android phone because it works on Android phones. And also make sure your phone has 3 GB RAM and above. Please don't, if you have 2 GB RAM, please don't come. You get my point? So that's just it. You get my point? So make sure you allow this thing to apply 100%. So guys, as you can see, it's just applied. You get my point? So with this, you can add your effect. You can add any of your effects and you export your videos. So guys, you are good to go. So this is another method of editing flash effects. You get my point? And I believe you enjoyed this particular video. Don't forget to like and share.